Hello everyone. Today we will discuss nicotinamide coenzymes. This enzyme is derived from vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is also known as nicotinamide or niacinamide. These are pyridine nucleotide coenzyme. Pyridine nucleotide coenzyme. Pyridine, you all are aware about pyridine structure, and what is nucleotide? Nucleotide is actually a combination of sugar, phosphate and nitrogenous base. That means 1 unit of sugar, 1 unit of phosphate and 1 unit of nitrogenous base constitutes 1 unit of nucleotide. If there are 2 sugar units, 2 phosphate units and 2 nitrogenous base, then they constitutes 2 nucleotide units. And one nucleotide unit is known as mononucleotide and 2 nucleotide units are known as dinucleotide. And nicotinamide coenzymes are usually nature's oxidizing as well as reducing agent. As we have seen in general organic chemistry, we use different oxidizing and reducing agents for oxidation and reduction of different different organic compounds. Similarly, nature also uses some oxidizing and reducing agents for carrying out the different reactions going on in plants or animal cells. Clear? And so the reagents used for this is nicotinamide coenzymes. Clear? As these coenzymes are derived from vitamin B3, so the structure of vitamin B3 is this. This is the structure of vitamin B3. This is pyridine and this is amide at third position. 1, 2, 3. Amide is substituted at third position in pyridine. Clear? So this is the structure of nicotinamide. Next is source. Source of vitamin B3 is whole grain cereals, eggs, meat, milk, jelly, legumes, etc. And the deficiency diseases occurring due to vitamin B3. These are hallucination, nervous breakdown and pellagra. And next is forms. Nicotinamide coenzymes usually occurs in two different forms. First is oxidizing form and second is reducing form. What is oxidation? Oxidation is actually the removal of hydrogen or the addition of oxygen, but we talk in terms of hydrogen. So the substance in which there is removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation. That means that substance is undergone into oxidation, and the other substance which has removed the hydrogen from other substance, that is known as oxidizing agent. क्लियर? ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट क्या चीज़ है? जो सब्सटेंस किसी दूसरे केमिकल में से सब्सटेंस में से हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव करवा दे. तो जिस सब्सटेंस में से हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हुआ है वो सब्सटेंस का क्या हो गया? ऑक्सीडेशन. और जिस सब्सटेंस ने वो हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव किया है दैट सब्सटेंस इज नोन एज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. क्लियर? सो दीज आर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट्स. NAD positive and NADP positive. These are nature's oxidizing agent, as these carries oxidation reactions. Clear? Oxidizing agents are actually of two types, NAD positive and NADP positive. We can use any of these. Either we can use NAD positive or we can also use NADP positive for the same reaction. It's our choice. Clear? So NAD positive is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Nicotinamide, N for nicotinamide, A for adenine, D for dinucleotide. And NADP positive is N for nucleotide, A for adenine, D for dinucleotide and P for phosphate. Clear? So these both are nicotinamide coenzymes. As the name suggests, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Dinucleotide, that means here 2 nucleotide units are present. That means 2 sugar, 2 phosphate and 2 nitrogenous base, and one nitrogenous base is this nicotinamide. Clear? And second nitrogenous base is this adenine. Clear? Nicotinamide and adenine both are nitrogenous base. Clear? So NAD positive and NADP positive are nature's oxidizing agents. Similarly, other form is nature's reducing agent. Reducing agent is which is responsible for carrying out the reduction reactions. That means the compound donates hydrogen to some another compound so that other compounds reduction can take place. Clear? So the compound which is donating hydrogen is known as reducing agent. So NADH and NADPH both have hydrogen, and these can donate these hydrogens. Clear? So these are nature's reducing agent. NAD positive, by taking off hydrogen, by removal of hydrogen from other compound, changes into NADH, and NADP positive changes into NADPH. Clear? So NAD positive and NADP positive are oxidizing agents, while NADH and NADPH are nature's reducing agent. Next is, this is the structure of ribose sugar. There are 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this oxygen, when at these oxygen electrons when attack on this carbonyl, so what will happen? Oxygen will carry positive charge, and to remove this positive charge, hydrogen is removed. So this oxygen finally binds to this carbon, and what occurs? This bond then goes above side on oxygen, and this oxygen becomes negative. So this O negative finally takes up this hydrogen and changes into H, and the structure becomes cyclic form. Clear? Like this. This oxygen attacks on this carbon, so this oxygen binds to this carbon, this carbon. Clear? This oxygen binds to this carbon, and this carbon gains one hydrogen and one OH. This is the structure, HOH. And then next carbon, clear? And from this next carbon, HOH, next carbon, HOH, COH, OH, H are above side. I have not shown the H. And similarly, then we move towards this carbon, this carbon, one hydrogen and one CH2OH. And one oxygen is binded to this carbon. So when we move this side, then carbon, then CH2OH. Clear? This is the structure of cyclic form of ribose. Clear? Cyclic form of ribose. Similarly, this is the structure of adenine. Clear? And you have seen that there are lots of nitrogen. So this is nitrogenous base, adenine. And this is phosphoric acid. Okay? Phosphate. Pyrophosphate. This is actually not phosphate. Phosphate is what? H3PO4 is phosphoric acid, and PO4 negative is phosphate. Okay? So this is pyrophosphate. Two phosphate units are combined. 2 phosphate units. Clear? P double bond O, OH, O negative, and this is also OH. This actually, how this occurs, I will clear in last. This is pyrophosphate. Then again sugar moiety, ribose sugar, and then this is nucleotide. Nicotinamide. This is vitamin B3 nicotinamide. So what will happen with all these structures? It is easy method to remember the structure of this nicotinamide coenzyme. So first is adenine. Just remember the adenine, and then ribose sugar, then pyrophosphate, and then sugar, and then again nicotinamide. So see, one nitrogenous base, one sugar, and wait a minute. See, this is adenine, this is ribose sugar, and half. अगर हम यहाँ से देखें, this half is phosphate. Clear? One base, one sugar, and one phosphate. What becomes this? This is one nucleotide unit. Similarly, this is again phosphate, this is again ribose sugar, this is again nitrogenous base, and this becomes other nucleotide unit. So in nicotinamide coenzyme, there are 2 nucleotide units. So these are known as dinucleotide. So how nicotinamide coenzyme is formed? From these all structures. See, hydrogen of adenine with OH of ribose. These reacts and removal of water takes place. Clear? Similarly, this ribose CH2OH, this OH again reacts with OH of phosphate, and again removal of water takes place. Similarly, again removal of water takes place, and here this lone pair of nicotinamide attacks on ribose, and then removal of this OH takes place. Clear? So what will happen? This nitrogen combines with this carbon combines with this oxygen combines with this carbon, and this nitrogen combines with this carbon. Because lone pair attacks, so this nitrogen becomes positively charged. Clear? See, this is the structure of nicotinamide coenzyme. Nitrogen binds with this carbon, oxygen binds with phosphoric unit, this oxygen again binds with sugar, and this carbon binds with nicotinamide unit. Clear? And nitrogen carries positive charge. So this is nicotinamide coenzyme structure. Clear? See, if here is hydrogen, if this position oxygen binds to hydrogen, then this is known as NAD positive. NAD positive. But if here in place of hydrogen, if there is phosphate unit, PO43 negative unit, then this is known as NADP positive. Clear? So there is the difference of only hydrogen and phosphate. That's it. If here is phosphate, then known as NADP positive, and if there is hydrogen, then known as NAD positive. Clear? So this is the moieties I have explained. This is adenine moiety, adenine, and this is pyrophosphate moiety, what I have already cleared to you. And by looking at this, see this half unit. What is this? Adenine, sugar and phosphate. तो इसने क्या बना दिया combine करके? One nucleotide unit. So this is what? Adenine mononucleotide. Clear? Adenine का nucleotide है ये. बेस के नाम से हम इन्हें जानते हैं. This is nucleotide of which base? Adenine base. Clear? So this is adenosine monophosphate. Phosphate कितने हैं यहाँ पे? एक phosphate. So this is nucleotide. Similarly, this is again nicotinamide, ribose sugar, and then phosphate. This is also a one nucleotide. So this is nicotinamide nucleotide. Clear? You have seen that here I put Y. Why Y? If Y is hydrogen, if this Y is hydrogen, then known as NAD positive, and if this Y is phosphate, then known as NADP positive. Clear? As nitrogen carries positive charge, so these are known as NAD positive or NADP positive. But if this positive charge is removed, how this is removed? If there is attack of some electron, here electron comes, then resonance takes place like this, and then attacks here, and so this positive charge is removed. Clear? See this. Here no positive charge is present, and in last structure I have told you electron attacks, this bond shifts here and this bond shifts here. Clear? This is bond not present here, now it is present here, and no positive charge on nitrogen. So this is what? This is now NADH and or NADPH. How NADH or NADPH? If electron, जो electron carrying moiety है, if that is H negative, if H negative attacks on this, then here attaches to this carbon, attaches to hydrogen, and then bond shifts. Clear? See, this is the hydrogen. So this is the structure of NADH or NADPH. If this Y is hydrogen, then known as NADH, and if this Y is phosphate, then the structure is NADPH. Clear? only the difference of this position. Clear? And what is the difference between NAD positive and NADH? Difference of this positive charge. Clear? The reactive part of this nicotinamide coenzyme is only nicotinamide unit. Nicotinamide unit is the only part of this whole coenzyme which makes it reactive. Why this is reactive? Because here nitrogen carries positive charge. Clear? Because of presence of positive charge on nitrogen, nicotinamide coenzyme is highly reactive. Clear? And there is some important part also. Niacin part of the molecule cannot be synthesized by our body. That means this part which we derive from the vitamin B3, this part cannot be synthesized by our body. So we need to take up this molecule from our diet. क्लियर? सो हमारे को हमारी डाइट में हमेशा विटामिन B3 का यूज़ करना चाहिए. विटामिन B3 डाइट होनी चाहिए हमारी. क्यों? क्योंकि निकोटिनामाइड कोएंजाइम किससे बन रहा है? विटामिन B3 की हेल्प से बन रहा है. और जो भी ये एंजाइम काम करेगा वो सब काम किस वजह से पॉसिबल हो पा रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस विटामिन B3 moiety. क्लियर? The rest part of the nicotinamide coenzyme, except the reactive part, is helpful in binding with the apoenzyme part. Clear? What is apoenzyme part? The proteinous part of enzyme. क्लियर? निकोटिनामाइड, जैसे हमने कहा कि नाइट्रोजन का पॉजिटिव पार्ट होना इसके लिए रिएक्टिव बना रहा है इसको, तो बाकी पार्ट क्या हेल्प कर रहे हैं? ऑल दीज पार्ट्स, जैसे CONH2, दीज पार्ट्स आर हेल्पफुल इन बाइंडिंग विद प्रोटीन पार्ट. जैसे कि ये विटामिन डी पार्ट है, किसी ना किसी तरीके से तो ये प्रोटीन पार्ट से भी बाइंडिंग है. तो प्रोटीन पार्ट से बाइंडिंग करने में कौन हेल्प कर रहा है? दीज अमाइड मोइटीज, CONH2 और दिस हाइड्रोजन, अदर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. क्लियर? सो अब एक चीज़ और है, अलग चीज़, मेन पार्ट जो है यहाँ पे, मेन चीज़ क्या है कि देखो, जैसे हम किसी, अब देखो अगर रिडक्शन हो रही है और अगर एक तरफ ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है, लेट्स से वी आर डूइंग ऑक्सीडेशन, तो जब हमने ऑक्सीडेशन करना है तो निकोटिनामाइड का कौन सा पार्ट यूज़ होगा? एंड निकोटिनामाइड कोएंजाइम का NAD पॉजिटिव, दिस पार्ट इज यूज्ड, दिस फॉर्म इज यूज्ड. क्लियर? NAD पॉजिटिव और NADP पॉजिटिव. तो अब देखो, तो इसका मतलब क्या चीज़ है कि जो भी हम एंजाइम यूज़ कर रहे हैं उस एंजाइम के साथ इस पार्ट को टाइटली बाउंड हो जाना चाहिए. तो ये क्या करेगा? जब ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है तो NAD पॉजिटिव पार्ट एपो एंजाइम पार्ट के साथ टाइटली बाउंड हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सो जब रिएक्शन हो गई तो NAD पॉजिटिव किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? NADH में. बट जो एंजाइम था उसकी एफिनिटी किसके लिए थी? वो किसको टाइटली बाउंड कर रहा था? वो तो NAD पॉजिटिव को टाइटली बाउंड कर रहा था ना. तो जैसे रिएक्शन हो जाएगी वो एंजाइम वापस क्या करेगा? NADH जो बन गया उसको फ्री कर देगा. समझ आ गया? तो NADH फ्री हो जाएगा और साथ के साथ हमारा सबस्ट्रेट भी क्या हो जाएगा? ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाएगा. क्लियर? तो एंजाइम जब ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है कौन से पार्ट को बाइंड कर रहा है टाइटली? NAD पॉजिटिव या NADP पॉजिटिव को. बट एट द सेम टाइम क्योंकि वो एंजाइम सिर्फ ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन को कैटेलाइज कर रहा है तो वो NADH और NADPH को नहीं टाइटली बाउंड कर सकता. क्लियर? बिकॉज दीज आर द रिड्यूस्ड फॉर्म. क्लियर? Enzymes which can catalyze oxidation reaction can bind to NAD positive or NADP positive more tightly. Then they can bind to NADH or NADPH. Clear? Similarly, if we are doing reduction reactions, तो वो किसको tightly bind करेगा? Then that will bind tightly to NADH or NADPH. But after doing reaction, that changes into NAD पॉजिटिव और NADP पॉजिटिव. दैट मीन्स जो एंजाइम रिडक्शन करवा रहा था उसने अब NADH को तो टाइटली बाउंड कर लिया, बट जैसे ही रिएक्शन होगी तो NADH किस में चेंज हो गया? NAD पॉजिटिव में. अब वो NAD पॉजिटिव को टाइटली बाइंड नहीं कर सकता और वो उसे क्या कर देगा? रिलीज कर देगा. क्लियर? सो इज इट क्लियर? ओके. सो दिस इज द रिएक्शन. एक्चुअली हेयर इज अ सबस्ट्रेट. हमने क्या किया? सबस्ट्रेट को NAD पॉजिटिव या NADP पॉजिटिव के साथ रिएक्शन करवाई. जब हमने इससे रिएक्शन करवाई तो ये क्या करवाएंगे? इस सब्सटेंस की ऑक्सीडेशन करवा देंगे, तो सबस्ट्रेट क्या हो जाएगा, ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाएगा। क्लियर, सबस्ट्रेट इज ऑक्सीडाइज। क्लियर, तो NAD पॉजिटिव किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, दिस चेंजेस इनटू NADH और NADPH। And if we see the reversible reaction, then what will happen, this removes hydrogen। रिवर्सिबली क्या हो गया कि ये इसको हाइड्रोजन डोनेट कर देगा सबस्ट्रेट को, और सबस्ट्रेट फाइनली क्या हो जाएगा, रिड्यूस हो जाएगा। क्लियर, सो दीज रिएक्शंस आर रिवर्सिबल एक्चुअली। द रिएक्शन इज रिवर्सिबल, स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक एंड ऑफ रिडॉक्स टाइप। रिडॉक्स टाइप की रिएक्शन है बिकॉज रिडक्शन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन टेक्स प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली। Clear, and why this is stereospecific, because here only one type of stereoisomer form as a major product। Clear, तो next चीज़ इसमें हम क्या पढ़ते हैं, as we have seen that, अगर हमने यहाँ ध्यान से देखा है NAD पॉजिटिव और NADP पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे मैंने लास्ट टाइम रिएक्शन बताई थी कि ये NADH या NADPH में कैसे चेंज हो रहा है, बाय टेकिंग ऑफ H नेगेटिव। अगर H नेगेटिव इसके ऊपर अटैक करे तो ये किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, NADH और NADPH में। क्लियर, तो अगर हम बात करें इसकी रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन की, NADH और NADPH की, तो NADH वापस इसमें कैसे चेंज होगा, बाय रिलीज ऑफ H नेगेटिव। सो H नेगेटिव रिलीज करके, इसका मतलब ये किस टाइप का रिएजेंट है, हाइड्राइड ट्रांसफर रिएजेंट है, जस्ट लाइक सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड। Clear, so that means nicotinamide coenzymes are very similar to our normal organic chemistry reagents. Clear, thank you. Next part we will discuss in next lecture.